Guys, and welcome to a new GTK tutorial. Today we are going to learn something new which we can apply on GTK Revealer itself, and let's see what we can which changes or what new information we can apply on it. And for this I'm going today I'm going to show you something new. Let me compile and run the program right now. Watch. Now when I hit the click me button and I try to type something, it's not working. For this I need to click myself with the mouse pointer on it and then I can type. But we can change this behavior so that we can type something without having to focus yourself with your mouse. And for this, because we need that the revealer which we created here has a child, and the child of the revealer is entry itself, we are going to do basically the same thing like we did in the last video with button child. And we are going to say now GTK widget, and we are going to say now get revealer child, and of course we are going to point it against the same function, which I'm going to copy it right now. I don't want to write again the same story. And now I'm going to replace this time the button with the revealer, which basically we have it right here. Now that we have the child, we know that we have a child, we know that it is an entry, but again, to be 100% that we make no mistakes, we need to make some checks. And for this, now basically, because we need to use a function on it, and the function which I decide to apply on it, it is called, let me go to GTK widget, or maybe I'm going to search one. It is called GTK widget grab focus, just like this. And it says this function calls the widget to have the keyboard focused for the GTK window it's inside. You see, to have the keyboard focus, this we need to have focus from our keyboard at the moment when the child or the revealer will be revealed, and in our case the entry will be revealed. So basically we need to call this function, okay? And for this, to call this function, we need to make some checks before, and I'm going to say now also here I'm going to make a check again. If GTK is entry, and this will be the revealer child. So if it is an entry, only if it is, now we can call this function, and we are going to pass, of course, the GTK revealer child. And now we are going to set that this function GTK widget grab focus should grab focus for our GTK revealer child, and in this case our GTK revealer child should be an entry child. And of course it is, we know already it is, because we decide to have a entry child when we put it inside our revealer right here. But just to be sure that we are not going to mess with calling this function on a widget which is not the widget which we need, we are checking it against GTK is entry. Now let me compile it and run it. And now watch what's happened. Once that I click the button, you see I can type. You see, that's the thing which we did now. Once that you click the button, you see the cursor is there and you can type. That's the thing, the funny thing which we create today. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.